Here's a quick slide that can kind of help students think about, and you can jigsaw the information to help students think about. So, again, these are some just ideas for jigsaw activities to get your students working together and thinking across the room. The first one is with this quick slide where students can kind of use the twist on thin slides, which is an Edge protocol, and they can claim their blank slide. And then on their slide, they're going to do one word, one image. Okay, so everybody's going to get a slide, and I like to use Camy, where every single student kind of gets their own slide for each of these. So round one, they watch the video, and then they again get their one word and one image on their slide. So again, I just create a slide like this, add it right over to Camy, and then every single student will have their name on the slide that I want them to work on. That's again just blank. They can go into add media and they are able to insert a Google image search, and they can also add their one word by using the text box. Students aren't able to delete each other's annotations. And again, I usually put their name somewhere on the slide ahead of time so that way I can reuse that slide throughout the year for this activity. Then round two happens. And on round two, they then talk about clothing. So again, you can have another blank slide, or maybe you have the students kind of create or you add tables in here for each of the different rounds. Another idea is maybe you want your students to do kind of a thick slide. So where they would add facts, they would add each of the different topics, insert a quote, and then they can find a caption. Students can use the comment feature where they can add text comments, voice comments, or even video comments to help explain these different concepts. They can also come in here and they're able to insert a Google image search right here to help explain that topic. And then they can provide a caption explaining how that image relates. Another idea, this is very similar to that slide right here. And maybe again, you wanted to do those tables. So again, you would time the students, they watch the video, and then they add their one word, one image for each of these different topics. Another idea is having students create a one pager where they have kind of a blank template and they have to insert quotes, words, videos, images, anything onto this one page to help them understand that concept. So think about it. How can I get my students to quickly kind of learn and engage and become task doers when it comes to using different parts when they're learning new concepts?